we will be talking about strip and strap strategy in the video. Let's first talk about a strip. The strip strategy is a modified and a more bearish version of a straddle strategy. It involves buying a number of at-the-money calls and twice the number of puts of the same underlying stock and same strike price and same expiry date. Let's discuss how do we construct a strip strategy. We buy one at-the-money call and simultaneously buy two at-the-money put options. We use this strategy when we expect the volatility to increase in the near future and when the expectation on the market direction is bearish. Large profits is attainable with the strip strategy when the underlying stock price makes a strong move either upwards or downwards at expiry. But the gains are made faster and larger if the movement of the underlying is on the downside. The risk is limited to the net premium paid for this position and the maximum profit can be unlimited. Let's have a look at an example to get a clear understanding. We'll talk about a stock futures for this. Say we consider Maruti futures which is trading at rupees 6,000 and we buy a call option of 6,000 rupees paying a premium of 100 and simultaneously we buy two put options of 6,000 strike again paying a premium of 100 rupees. So we can see here that the strategy involves buying a call option at the money of 6,000 strike price by paying a premium of 100 and simultaneously buying two put options of 6,000 strike paying a premium of 100 each. So the net premium which we have paid is 300 rupees. These are the different spot prices on expiry and how the payoff would be if we have different levels of spot prices on expiry. So say at 5,500 call option of 6,000 gets lapsed, we lose minus 100 and put options gets exercised, so we have a positive intrinsic value of 500 each on put. So the net payoff from this leg would be 800 rupees. The total profit arising from this strategy if the spot price is 5,500 on expiry is 700. At 5,850 again the call option gets lapsed, put option will get exercised and will give us a payoff of 100 rupees. So this marks as a break-even point of this strategy. At 6,300 again we see that the call option gets exercised and we have a 200 rupees payoff. The put option gets lapsed and the total profit and loss generated is 0. If the price is say 6,500 on expiry, call option gets exercised and the payoff from this leg is 400 rupees. Both the put option gets lapsed and we lose 200 rupees premium. So the net profit from this strategy is 200. So we can clearly see that if the prices fall considerably, we start earning profit. And if the prices rise above a certain level, above our higher break-even point, we can see that we start earning profit. So the maximum profit from this strategy, as we can see in our example, is unlimited. The loss is limited to the net premium paid, which is 300 rupees. We can calculate the lower break-even point by strike price minus the net premium paid divided by 2, which is equal to 6,000 minus 300 divided by 2, which comes to 5850, which marks as our lower break-even point. The upper break-even point is strike price plus net premium paid, which is equal to 6,000 plus 300, which is 6,300. Now, let's talk about a strap strategy. The strap strategy is a modified and a bullish version of a straddle. It involves buying more number of at-the-money calls and lesser puts of the same underlying stock, same strike price and same expiry. So how do we construct a strap? We buy 2 calls at the money and simultaneously buy 1 at the money put. We use this strategy when we expect the volatility to increase in the near future and the market direction is bullish. Large profits can be achieved from the strap when the underlying stock price makes a very strong move either on the upside or on the downside at expiry. But obviously the gains are faster and larger if again the move of the stock is on the upper side. The volatility must increase. The risk is again limited to the net premium paid for the position and the maximum profit is theoretically unlimited. The most important part of these strategies, that is straddle, strangle, strip or strap, is volatility. The market has to make big moves in order for these strategies to make money for you. Let's again have a look at the same example of Maruti, which is trading at 6,000 rupees, and this time we do a strap, that is we do 2 calls buy at 6,000 strike price paying premium of 100 and we buy only 1 put of 6,000 paying a premium of 100 rupees. So our strap strategy is a more bullish strategy where we are buying 2 calls at the money and we are buying only 1 put at the money of 6,000 paying a premium of 100 each. So we can clearly see these are the different spot prices on expiry. So we see that if the price is at 5,500, the call option, both our call option lapse, we lose the entire premium of 200 rupees. Our put option gets exercised and the PL is 400 from this leg. So the total profit generated from this strategy is minus 200 plus 400, which is 200 rupees from the strategy if the spot price is 5,500 on expiry. If the spot price of the underlying on expiry is 5,700, the call option gets lapsed, we lose 200 rupees. Put option gets exercised, we earn 200 rupees. So this marks as the break-even point of this strategy, the lower break-even point of 5,700. Say if the price remains at 6,000, what do we see? Both the call option and put option lapses, so we lose 200 premium here, 100 rupees premium over here from put. So the total loss which we have from the strategy is 300 rupees if the price of the underlying remains at 6,000. This is the point at which we can incur a maximum loss, that is the underlying doesn't move at all by expiry. At 6,150, the call option gets exercised and we get a positive payoff of 100 rupees from this leg. The put option gets lapsed, so we lose 100 rupees. So the net payoff is 0. This marks as the upper break-even point of the strategy. Say if we see the price is at 6,500 of Maruti on expiry, the call option gets exercised, we earn 800 rupees from this leg and put option gets lapsed, so we lose 100. So the total profit which is generated from this strategy is 700. We can clearly see the payoff diagram will look something like this. where the maximum loss is at 6,000 and we break even at 6150 and 5700 from this strategy. So the maximum profit of this strategy, as we can see here, is unlimited. The loss is limited to the premium paid, which is 300. We can calculate the upper break-even point by strike price plus the net premium paid divided by 2, which is 6,000 plus 300 divided by 2, which is 6150. And the lower break-even point can be calculated by strike price minus the net premium paid, which is 6,000 minus 300, which is 5,700. So with this, we come to the end of volatile strategies of strip and strap strategy. Thank you.